Hello everyone, this is Ashwini Abare and today we will discuss the next video, copy command. Now, in last video we have discussed the type command. Using that functions only we will use or we will implement our copy command. So before discussing copy command, first we will check how exactly copy commands work. On command prompt, if I will change the directory suppose dir, here we know that abc.txt we have already created for type command. Now how copy command will work? Copy, I want to copy abc.txt file into any another file which is maybe present, which is not be present. So abc.txt, so one file is copied. Now if I will again give a dir command, it will create that file also, abc.txt qwe.txt. Here for type command we require, now if I will give type command, suppose type qwe.txt, it will display all the content which are present in abc.txt. Now what is the use of copy command? It will copy the content of one file into another file. So for implementation of copy command we require two parameters. One is the source file and second one is the destination file. So here on command prompt, or here we can say we are passed two command line argument. What is the meaning of command line argument? The argument which is passed before the during the execution of program. If we will pass any argument, then this type of argument is called as a command line argument. So now we have to implement our copy command. So in last video we have discussed the type command. So first we have accept a single file name for this. Now we have to accept the one more file name which will be your destination file. So copy this, paste. Now suppose this one is your file name 1, this one is your file name 2, file name 1, second one is your file name 2 of 20. So file name 1, file name 2, this one is your source file, this one is the destination file, means in which file we have to copy the content. Now how you will check that whether your file is present or not? So same way we can check second file name also. Now how you will check, understand that whether your file is present or not? By using fopen function. So using fopen function we pass the two parameters. First one is the source file that we will open in read mode. So it will return the address of that file. Suppose the address of that file is fp1. Now if this fp1 is equal to null, meaning is what? File is not present. Else file is present. If your source file is present, then only what we will do? We will accept our destination file name. So if your source file is present, then only we will accept the destination file, means in which file we have to copy. So we will print this also in else part. Now if that file is present, we are reading the character from fp1, right? Now where we have to write this character? We have to write this character into fname2. So for that purpose we have to open fp2 also or fname2 also, fname2 comma, in which mode we have to open? In write mode we have to open. So if that file is not present or if that file is present, then also if you will open that file in write mode, it will create a new blank file. So no need to check whether that file is present or not. So fp2 equal to fopen fname2 write mode. Now we have to read the content from fp1 and up to end of file. Now instead of displaying on the console, we have to write that content on inside the file. So fgetC is a read a character from file. Same way fputC is one function which put the character into a file. So which character we have to put? CH, and where we have to put in FP2. So here also FP1. Okay, and after this we can directly give the command as semicolon. We can directly make a statement that one file copied. Save, click on execute, compile and run. FP2, we have to declare the FP2 also. Star FP2, save, click on execute, compile and run. Now which file? We know that we are having accept.c. File opens successfully, then only it will accept the next file. Now next file is, suppose if I want to copy this into abc.c. So all contents are run. Now if I will check this file in assignment 3 folder, abc.c file is created and it contains all the contents. Okay, now suppose if I will delete this and if I will create one more file as a text document, suppose QWE. Now QWE already contains the content this. Now if I will again run my program, click on execute, compile, run. So your first is accept.c, next is qwe.txt, one file is copy. Now if you will check your qwe.txt, it will display all the code. Means if your file is present, then also it will create a new file. If your file is not present, then also it will create a new file and it will overwrite the content whenever you will open your file in write mode. Now thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe the video. Thank you.